Right, coming in now is the 10:42 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington, originating Bristol Temple Meads. Formed of 800-309. So hello viewers and welcome to the latest video from Butaka Videos, and today I am at Swindon, which is on the Great Western Main Line. So today here at Swindon we'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway only. The service we saw in the first clip was the 10:31 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington, originating Swansea, formed of 800-310, which departed platform 3 just over there. This one's in on platform 1. We've got a couple of delayed services as well. The 10:32 from Paddington to Bristol Temple Meads has been delayed, like somewhere this side of Didcot Parkway, which is causing it to be delayed by probably about 13-14 minutes or so, which is also causing a delay in the following service from platform 4, the 10:41 to Swansea is probably going to be delayed behind it. Anyway, 800-09 heading towards Paddington, originating Bristol Temple Meads, which is soon to depart. Like this is actually my third time filming a video here at Swindon. The first time was in May 2017 and the second time was last November. Both times are really good sessions and hopefully this one will be as well. 800-309 is getting ready to depart, so I'll keep filming to see it depart. Yes, like the next one in on platform 4 is a delayed service heading towards Temple Meads. But first, 800-9, which originated at Temple Meads, now departing. So, without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Let's get started here at Swindon. Enjoy all. Right, coming in now is a delayed 10:32 service for Bristol Temple Meads. Delayed due to a safety inspection on the track between Didcot Parkway and here.
Customers needing the coach A for the Bristol Temple Meads service, this is at the front of the train.
It's a double pairing. Like the unit at the rear might not be able to get immediately. 802-005 is the unit at the front. Right, departing now is a delayed 10:32 to Bristol Temple Meads, departing about 15 minutes late due to a safety inspection on the track between Didcot Parkway and here. 802-005 at the front, 802-019 at the rear. They're heading to Bristol Temple Meads, calling it Chippenham, Bath Spa and Bristol Temple Meads.
Next train on platform 4 is the 10:41 Swansea service, calling at Bristol Parkway, Newport Coast.
Right, coming in now is a delayed 10:41 service to Swansea, originating London Paddington. Delayed by about 8 or 9 minutes or so, 10 minutes behind the delayed Bristol Temple Meads service. 800-018 at the front and another one at the rear. Right, departing now, 800-018 and 800-022. They are on the delayed 10:41 service to Swansea, originating London Paddington. Right, coming in now is a 10:56 to Bristol Temple Meads. The unit at the front, 802-002. I'm pretty sure I saw that at Parkway earlier. So the unit at the rear, 802-022, I believe. Right, departing now, 802-002, and I think 802-022. Yes, it is repair of 802-002 and 022, and they're heading on the 10:56 to Bristol Temple Meads. Next stop, Chippenham, followed by Bath Spa and Bristol Temple Meads. Like over there on platform 2, the bay platform, 165122, which is a 11:04 terminating service from Cheltenham Spa. Coming in here is the 11:12 service to London Paddington, originating Bristol Temple Meads. And it's a single unit of 9 carriages. And the unit 800-315. Right, departing 800-315. On the 11:12 to London Paddington. Right, departing out now, 802-104, which is on the 11:16 service to Cheltenham Spa. (802-104), heading for Cheltenham Spa, originating London Paddington. Right, coming in now on platform 4 is the 11:31 service to Bristol Temple Meads. Coming in behind me is the other 11:31 service, heading towards London Paddington. This one towards Bristol Temple Meads, formed of a double pairing of IET units. 800-014 at the front. Another one at the rear, I'm not sure which one it is. Meanwhile, coming in here on platform 3 towards London Paddington. A service originating from Swansea is a HST service. And only the second HST I've seen of the day. The first one, the cross-country one at Bristol Parkgrove. 43088 at the front. And on the rear, 43161, departing out 800-014 on its way to Bristol Temple Meads on the 11:31 departure. Joined up with 800-021. They're heading to Bristol Temple Meads. Well, departing out 43088 and 43161. They're heading to London Paddington from Swansea. Right, departing out now, 802-105, which is on the 11:40 service to Swansea. With weirdly first class up the front rather than at the rear, at the London end. At least for a single unit anyway. Having first class at the opposite end to a Paddington Gate Line is a bit weird. Right, coming in now is a delayed 11:42 service to London Paddington. arriving about 8 minutes after its scheduled departure. 800-004 at the front. Eight hundred 008 at the rear. Right, departing out now, 800-004, the unit at the front, and 800-008, the unit at the rear, on the delayed 11:42 to London Paddington, originating Bristol Temple Meads. Right, coming in now is the 11:56 to Bristol Temple Meads. The unit at the front is 802-014. And the one on the rear I'll get as it departs. Right, departing out is the 11:56 to Bristol Temple Meads. (802-014) and 802-008. Right, coming in now is a 12:06 to London Paddington. 800-316. And again, unusually, first class is at the opposite end to where it normally is. At least for a single unit service. Like when there's like double pairings or 5 carriages, that's slightly different from. But when it's a single unit, like this one is with 9 carriages, or when the HSTs were more regular than they are now, they had like typically have first class at the Paddington ticket barrier end rather than furthest from the Paddington ticket barriers, like it would be for this one here. Right, departing out 800-316 on the 12:06 to London Paddington, a service originating from Cheltenham Spa. Right, getting ready to depart is a 12:14 service to Cheltenham Spa, 165122. Also coming in is a slightly delayed 12:12 service to London Paddington, originating from Paignton. And this Paignton service, like with Paignton originating service, formed for the HST unit. (43198) at the front. whatever power car number this is at the rear. Right, departing out is another Great Western HST service, 43198 at the front, and at the rear the Welshman 43187. And this service originated from Caineton, heading for London Paddington. Departing 5 minutes late. Scheduled departure 12:12, actual departure 12:17. Calling now Didcot Parkway, Reading and London Paddington. Yeah, just come onto platform 4 for the westbound services for Bristol, Templemead and Swansea and that way. Like platform 3 and the island over there is where I've been filming the rest of the video. But coming over to platform 4 to film the final few clips of this video, and I can see that just beyond Swindon Station on the towards the east of the station, I can see that there is a depot for class 387 units that serve the line between Didcot Parkway and London Paddington extensively. Yeah, lots of class 387s over there. I'm not sure if it's an actual depot, maybe more of a stabling siding, but I thought it would be quite interesting to show you the siding where quite a number of class 387s are being stored, at least anyway. Right, departing out is 800 308, which is on the 12:31 to Bristol Templemeads. Coming in now is the other 12:31 service, running a couple minutes late, with 800 032 at the front and another one at the rear. This is a service to London Paddington, which originated from Carmarthen. Right, departing out now is a slightly delayed 12:31 to London Paddington, with the service originating from Carmarthen. 800 032, the unit at the front. The unit at the back is 800 026. So 032 and 026 heading for London Paddington. Both units definitely from Swansea. I think 032 came from Carmarthen. Right, coming in now is a 12:41 Great Western Railway service to Swansea.
Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Ports Talbot Parkway, Neath and Swansea.
This will be one of the final trains in this video. 802012 is at the front. Is it 802002 at the rear? No, 011. So 802012 and 802011 on this service. This is one of the final trains of this video, and probably along with the 12:42 to London Paddington. But as that will be on platform 3 on the other side, probably won't see it come in. I might film a depart, but anyway, I'm just going to do my outro now. If you have liked what you've seen, well, thanks for watching my video from Swindon. If you have liked what you have seen here at Swindon, then please do like and subscribe. Please leave any comments below, because I'll get back to them as and when I can. And any recommendations are welcome, so please do leave them in the comments. Swindon's been a great station to film at, although primarily formed of these 800 and 802 units. like back and forth from like between Paddington and like mostly Bristol, Temple Meads and Swansea. Like couple like one or two to and from Cheltenham, and like the last one originating Carmarthen as well. But like just a bit further on from Swansea. Like we've seen a couple of HST units as well, and a turbo unit too. But all of which add to the variety we get to see here at Swindon. But primarily being these new IET units, the 800s and the 802s. Like probably take a few off that I haven't seen before. I'm sure there are others that I have seen that I probably have seen again. So that's all interesting. Like on the other platform, I've just seen the service from Bristol Temple Meads come in, heading for London Paddington, but I'm not sure if I'm actually going to film it or get numbers or whatever. Yeah. Like my next trip on Thursday the 18th will be when I head to London, Thursday 18th of April. So like possibly my next station will be Stratford, followed by Tottenham Hale. But like like have to see like what the platform staff say and all that, at least regarding Stratford anyway, because I know that's going to be a busy station in terms of services and passengers and whatnot. So possibly Stratford, possibly Tottenham Hale and all that. Well, that's a plan anyway for Thursday 18th of April. Like this Swansea service might be about to leave, so I'll just keep rolling for a little. Otherwise, coming up in the next few videos after this would be some videos I film in London, like around Stratford, Tottenham Hale, that sort of area for Greater Anglia services. Like this Swansea service is now ready to leave, so I'll film it depart. Otherwise, I'll see you all in London. Well, in my videos from London at least. So thank you guys for watching my video from Swindon. See you all in my next video from my trip to London. Cheerio. And we'll finish with the Swansea service departing out. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Cheerio.